Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Grace here, and today this video is going to be about maybe building a tower and hot glue. So let's get to it. Alright, the first thing I know of this, then we'll do the bottom and the edge. So yeah, that's on. Like I said, take this. Guys, alright, so I'm back and I got something here. I know it doesn't look like a tower. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing something that comes up from my head. So this is what I got so far. It looks like a kind of boat. That's what it looks like, a kind of boat. I'm not trying to make a boat, but let's see what this comes out into. So yeah, this is what I'm doing from here. Side by side, just like that. Something like this you guys could see. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna do what this can, something like that. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I want it to be nice and strong, so I gotta fix that. There goes this falling off. I guess there wasn't enough glue. Yeah, that's what it looks like. There's not enough glue. I think I gotta add more glue to this because I think I'm running out. So I'm gonna get some more glue. Take that like that. There we go. Chop it right over in here. So like that. Now you see the glue come out, right? That's what I'm talking about. I thought I was gonna do a tower, but this is not looking like a tower. Yeah. What is this? Sweet echo, sweet down right up, I pour it home. Fade away, that's when I thought I go. Nowhere for me to run. Fade that away. So long ago, nowhere to go. Above, I see you know my way down to evaporate. My way downtown, evaporate. Nowhere to go, nowhere to go. Evaporate. Why is this hopeless? Oh yeah, I feel like this is hopeless. This is definitely hopeless. So wait a minute. So way, way, way to long ago, I shot away at home soon. Long ago, I take my way off a little old. What is this? Don't ask me what I'm making. I have no idea. I'm doing something. Let's see what this really comes out. Let's see if I'm gonna have enough left. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough popsicle left, so let's see what this is gonna be like. This is definitely not a house, because I already made a house. So like, why would I make a second one? That'd be weird. Try not let the sticky strains like this gonna distract me. Let's see what I'm going to do out of this. Okay, that came out handy. This is what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. It's definitely not a tower, so it's not going to be called a tower. It kind of looks like a boat. This is what the bottom looks like. This is what the back looks like. This is what it looks like from the front. So I think it's kind of a boat. I think I am making a boat. Yes, it's kind of weird. Something different. Alright, that's something. But yeah. Well, I'm just going to keep on going because I only have 2 left popsicles. So I think this will be the finished product when it's done from here. This one's a little simple. Here's my first one right there. Going to just put it in the back right over here, which you guys could see. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna let it to dry, and then I'm gonna paint it a one color. And then this is my last popsicle, the hot glue gun, and then just put it right on this side of what I'm doing. Just like that. And then the final one will go right over here. So yeah, what do you guys think? This is what it looks like. So the side, it's this. And then I'm going to paint it, and then I'll show you the final look. So let me get the other stuff and come back to you all. Okay, so I am back, and I got my boat, you can call it. It's definitely not a tower. So I am going, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to paint it blue, or if you call it blue. I don't know if it's blue or it's like tealish, I don't know. I'll show you the colors. This is it right now. And then this is the color that I'm gonna be using. I like it, it's nice. Something different, just one color, not 2. And then I'm gonna get my palette to put the paint on. And then here's my brush. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the side. Open this right here. You watching me? Yeah. Talking to my cat. Such a cutie. So I'm just gonna take, actually, oh no, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, silly me. It's closed. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am back, and I just finished the boat. Well, I'm gonna call it a boat because it looks like a boat. So yeah, Now I'm gonna grab my paintbrush and start painting up. So yeah. Wow, that's so pretty. This is what it looks like. Love the color. Absolutely stunning. This will be the end of this video. What you guys think, and peace out.
Goodbye.